What's up, guys? So today we got all the boys together and we're gonna install the Cusco side skirts on the Corolla hatch. Pierre just got the Cusco side skirts. He got the Cusco front lip. We're gonna get into that. All of us are gonna help out, and this is what this video is gonna be all about, all right? So stay tuned. Is it long?
Let me get my lip off first. The lip is easy.
Yeah.
You just use the regular OEM.
Damn, look at that, eh? Damn. That's a nice lip. It all came painted?
I know, I had to get it painted.
You had to get it painted, eh? That's a nice looking lip. Oh man, this shouldn't be that hard to install.
With the holes already in the skirt,
Yeah.
going to the OEM.
Yeah, because the holes are already pre-drilled.
It's already there. You just need to drill into those.
Yeah.
But that was the thing, because like, I don't know if I took the rockers off or that just go from straight under and keep it on.
I don't know, what do you guys think? We got the Cusco instruction, all in Japanese here. Damn, look at these hardware.
Oh, is it like a self-tapping?
I'm looking here.
Oh, not in bolt. Oh, is there really room under there for that?
Yeah, look, I'll show you.
Is it hard to take the rockers off?
I don't know.
I don't think so, right? Unless, hopefully the,
No, maybe the rocker comes off, you install it on the rocker, right?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
and then
okay,
put it back on, yeah.
That's what they said to do.
Oh, okay.
But that's what I'm saying. How hard is it to take off the rocker?
Well, as long as the bolt is not underneath that fender, it should be all right.
Well, these ones, these black things are
Oh.
just clips.
Oh,
But they're a fucking bitch to get out.
Yeah. Well, on this car, yeah, it's probably like, you probably break them getting them off.
Is there anything behind the rocker? Do you remember? If there's anything behind it?
I never took them out.
No, it shouldn't be. It should just be.
Because if, like, what if you just held the script against the rocker, mark the holes?
Wait, you still gotta do the nut and bolt. How are you gonna put your hand up there?
Yeah, so you got to take off the. I guess you got to take off the rocker.
You can't slip it from
Just
behind.
fucking jack it up and take off
Jack
the
it out,
rocker.
take it off. That's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do.
This is gonna be interesting, but stay tuned to the vlog. It's gonna be an adventure for us. Don't know how long this process is gonna take us, but at least it's nice out.
Why do the holes like not like line up like at all or underneath or no?
The one hole lines up. That's the thing right now.
Let's see what it is.
I don't know if I should. I don't know if it sticks out more or not. This is it.
Cause you have like like a 10 mil gap for this, so the rear should kind of be the same or something.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
sure
kind of
is.
looks like that. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if this bows out or the skirt's supposed to bow out there. Yeah. A little bit, right? Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, I got my.
Something like that would be good.
Poke the hole maybe.
Hold it back.
Don't get my finger, bro.
Huh?
Just don't get my finger, bro. Wait, hold on. Give me a second.
No, too late.
I'm
Where
looking.
do you want it?
I'm looking.
If your pinky like fits like tightly, then that's the spacing, I guess. You got the same pinky size, I hope. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like you move it in like a little bit more.
One more.
A little
Move it
more.
in where you want and tell me what to drill.
Like, yeah, kind of like that. It's like the closest. Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I mean, it's not
Fuck it,
noticeable
bro.
anyway.
Send it.
Look at his finger.
Okay.
Put it.
Yeah, this side skirt has like 12 pop clips on it. That's crazy. Look, one.
I swear.
And then all the ones underneath too.
Alright.
Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah. And then you have all like the nice spacing.
Yeah, the spacing on between is
Yeah.
it's even.
So many more holes you need to do
Yeah, I
here.
think that's actually pretty
Oh,
good.
load the body plugs too.
That's what I'm saying, yo. Look at the amount of body plugs they got on the side skirts, yo. Man, look at that, hey, look at that. The lip kit is finally on the Corolla. Damn, it's a good fitting kit. It's good fitting, you know. Shout out to the boys, you know. Shout out to the guys over here, you know, for helping Pierre. Supervising.
I can't, bro. I want to go like half an inch, quarter inch, half an inch, but where I drive. I can't find grand either. Otherwise, I would have been on bed.